Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy broccoli pesto that's AIP friendly, paleo, vegan, really beautiful recipe to enjoy through summer, and it's nut free and just it's all good. So I've got broccoli over here. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. I've got a garlic. I've got a whole head of garlic, but I'm just going to use a couple of cloves. I've got lemon, basil and salt, and we're going to mix it all together and make a lovely pesto. And I'm going to actually cook my broccoli just to get it nice and soft and easily mashable to blend together with the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to chop up broccoli. You could really make as much or as little as you want. I'll leave the recipe down below so you can follow along and decide how much you would like to make. So I'm going to start off by covering the broccoli in water and bringing it up to the bubble. So I'm actually happy with a plate full of broccoli chopped over here, and what I've also done is I've peeled the garlic cloves, but I'm going to leave them whole because they're going to get blended in together. You can mix in the garlic if you want to when you blend it all. If you're happy to have raw garlic, I prefer cooking my garlic, so I'm going to bubble it up and get it nice and softened along with the broccoli. So I've just got a saucepan of water behind me coming up to boil, and once it's bubbling we'll add in the broccoli to cook. Broccoli and garlic are in the bubbling water. I'm just going to simmer it away until the broccoli is soft enough to mash or to puree together into my pesto. The broccoli and garlic are bubbling away nicely. Give it another couple of minutes and it's already soft. It just needs to be a bit softer so that it's easy to puree together. I'm happy with how soft everything is, and now I'm going to drain it, rinse it really well, and then get it blending into the pesto. Okay, all the broccoli is in my little blender. What I've done is I rinsed it and I put it through a sieve, and I rinsed it really well to get it nice and cool. Just make sure that it's cool enough to go into your blender. And now we will add all the other ingredients. Okay, I've got my blender here. We'll add in all those basil leaves, the whole bag full, and then go 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. It's up to you how many you want. I'm going to go 4 beautiful tablespoons there. Add in salt. And now I've got my little microplane grater here. I'm going to grate over a whole lot of the lemon zest. And then it's up to you how much lemon juice you want to add. I think I'd probably just add maybe a quarter of a lemon. You don't want too lemony, but a bit of lemon will just be beautiful flavour. And we'll just squeeze over. I've got a sieve over here. I can't quite adjust the camera quite right. I'm going to do a quarter of a lemon squeezed over. Now you can see it looks nice and flavourful. Smells pretty amazing. We'll get it on to blend now. Okay, I've got the lid. I'll just screw the lid on and I'll adjust your view and we'll get it on to blend. Blend it on now. There we go. Look at that beautiful creamy pesto. I'll just pour it out. There you go. It's beautiful, thick and creamy. I like storing it in this container in the fridge and using a couple of tablespoons here and there when I want it. I'll write in the blog post down below loads of ways to enjoy the smooth creamy pesto. You could have it in a salad with some soup. Mix it through soup. You can have it with a barbecue on the side as a nice sauce. With being on the AIP diet, I'm just craving sauces like this, and this is kind of perfect. So there you go. That is the beautiful creamy. I have to have a little taste of it. It's just so good. The flavor with the garlic and the broccoli, it's just beautiful. It's a beautiful way to enjoy broccoli. It's a beautiful way to make a pesto. If you can't tolerate nuts, can't have nuts, you could also actually mix through some nutritional yeast to give it a little more flavor. Salt, you could use pepper. Of course, the pepper isn't AIP friendly, but you can use salt, pepper, seasoning, whatever you like. But this beautiful pesto over here is lovely and AIP friendly, and for me to enjoy with meals as a side, just so good. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know if you give this pesto a try, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which will have the full step-by-step instructions and recipe for you to pin, bookmark and save whenever you want to make this recipe. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.